Hey, Tom Efsakov here. Welcome back to another honest review. This time I'm reviewing Rebake app. Now, if you want to see my interview with the creator, it's been a very passionate and fun interview with Blaze. Yeah, that's a cool name. You can see it above this video, or if you're watching on YouTube, there should be a link in the description. Now, here we're going to discuss more about I'm going to give you a walkthrough how it works, good, bad, ugly, upsells, bonuses, okay? So let's do this, right? Okay, so what we have here is Rebake. It's a very, 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 very powerful app. Very powerful, advanced, and dare I say, one of the best softwares I've ever had the pleasure to review. Why? Because of three reasons, right? First reason is it's unique. Never been done before, at least not that I know of. Two, it has an incredible value compared to the price they're asking. Just an incredible value app, for the front end. And three, right, this software is smooth. And the thing that I love most about softwares and when they have great, except that they do what they promise, but they have great fit and finish, they are smooth, they're easy to use, the interface is slick. This is my favorite feeling in the world when I open up a software. Okay, so what we have here is Rebake app. It's an app that will allow you to take any page on the internet, any link, turn it in in 1 sec, upload it into their cloud. In that cloud, you can edit the page to whatever you want. Then you can rebake it to make it a 1 kilobyte file. So it will load super fast in like 0.0000 second loading time. And then you can go ahead and you get commercial license all on the front end to resell this to clients if you want to. And this is what actually I would recommend. I would say this is a groundbreaking service to do because I don't think anyone offers this. I think there's a huge need for this. And I think this is an angle into the market that can make people very, very, very wealthy and fortunate, just wealthy, quickly tapping into this angle of providing this service of new website, better looking websites, and without doing any technical work. It's amazing. You have to see this, right? So let's get straight into it. So literally redesign it, do whatever you want. I'll show you in just a second. And it's going live on November 25th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It will start at $47 early bird around, and it is just a steal for the price. It's a steal. It's a steal. Let's get straight into it, right? We have this app tutorial here. Straight into the app. Okay, yeah. Okay, so everything here comes with great tutorials. It's really good. And let's go for the main page. Okay, so these are the three that I created and the pipelines connected to them, right? So let's do that again. Let's remove that and do what I did there again. They have the sales page right here. eFusion's Fox, the Rebake, the app, this is the sales page. So I want to put it into the software. Going to Rebake. We'll give it some time, a few moments, to prepare the page for rebaking. Prepare the process. Let's give it some time because it's a big sales page. Now, what you will notice is from the moment that we rebaked, we'll get a new link, which is this link, right? This is actually the edit I did, but I just deleted it. Anyway, new link, which is some kind of ugly link that you'll need to change or cloak. Okay, and that specific link will load faster already. So even before you turn it into 1 kilobyte file, it's going to load so much faster. Let's give it a few more moments. Okay, it seems we're done. And we have that project. Now let's go for the live edit. This means that any changes that you will be making right now will be updated. Okay? Live editor. Now, this is the most amazing editor I've seen. Now, check this out. Okay, so we have this controls here of the page, deselecting the object. We'll leave it. We'll just forget about them for a second. Click here to turn that off. Okay, now we have the rebake. You can change anything. you can go ahead and you change that. Edit the text, make it bold, make italics, this italic. You can go ahead and say rah 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 rah. You can go ahead and take that, and let's change the color into red. You see? So we can play with it completely. It's so easy, so intuitive. Okay, it's so easy, so intuitive, and boom. Okay, you can change the video, you can literally change any element of that page. Now I remind you, we haven't uploaded this page. This page does not belong to me, right? I have no code. All I can do is I can't do anything unless I have this software. So this is very powerful. You can rebake clients' pages without even having them to send you any files to upload to your server or any access logins. This actually is better because the clients will want to work with you, because you'll say, hey, I'll rebake your page without even logging into your website. So it's a completely safe process. It's great. It's just great. Okay, now let's toggle controls. Let's go for save changes. By the way, there's a cool feature here. You're watching this. Let me click on Arabic. You see, Catalan. You see, oh, Catalan is Chinese. Let's go for Chinese traditional. It'll turn Chinese. You see, so you can translate the entire page to a lot of languages, like most of the big languages. Let's see, they have Hebrew. Yes, they have. Let's see if, because I'm from Israel, I can see if it works. Okay, I see it's not translating into Hebrew. Oh, it is. Wow. It is such an amazing software. I have no words to describe, and this is just the beginning, right? You can rebake the entire page to whatever you want. And let's find a way out of here, because I think that, okay, that's a new page. So it's saved here on our software. Let's refresh that just to be sure. Log me out. Great. Let's hope that it's saved. Yes, rah is saved. Great. That's awesome. So it auto saves, I guess, or I just saved and it saved. Okay, so we have this project on, and we can go ahead and preview that link, which loads way faster than the other link. And then you can go ahead and bake the page. Now you bake the page and you get a 1 kilobyte 621 byte file below there, which you can upload to any server that you want. It's a PHP file. Now if you don't know how to upload the file or something like that, do not worry, you'll figure it out. Really, don't let such a small technical issue put you off, because all you need to do is just upload. You can find a tutorial on YouTube, right? In 10 minutes you'll be good to go. Instead, see how simple it is. It's such a small file, it loads so fast, and it will be awesome. It will be simply awesome. I have no words to describe it, but that's not everything. Now, when you have this, and you already have the commercial license for the Soul, you are sitting on a gold mine. But it gets better. You can have analytics, call to actions. Let's add a call to action to, call to action. Let's go for a discount offer. You can add a pop-up discount. Now we'll edit it, and this will pop up on the page for whatever you'll set up on, on the design itself, right? On the rebake process itself. Here are set up like templates, I guess you could call them. You can change the names, the big text, everything of the pop-up, and it's so intuitive. It's so simple. Delete that. You can go ahead and real-time engagement. This is also very powerful. What this allows you to do is to go ahead and on a certain time tell people, it's like a scarcity. On a certain time you will appear, a timer will appear, and you will have a text on the timer like offer right now, 4 minutes. You can go ahead and put this into the seconds of 4 minutes, okay? And this, after 5 seconds, a timer will appear which will say offer running out in 4 minutes. It's so simple. You can have the color of the loader. It will load in a half circular kind of way. Okay, you can make it a coupon, and you can enter like offer right now, use coupon 4 or something like that, right? And that is how it is. We're going to save it. And then you can go ahead and use it when you add it into your pages. It depends on a specific page. It's so simple, okay? You had scripter for retargeting, you have reclick, no idea what that is, and you have the social media, which is like a customizing social media icons, social media integration, okay? And that is so simple, and you can just go ahead and open your live edit project again. So this will save, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can add page settings, add elements, buttons, videos, carrots, images, iframes. It's so intuitive, really. What else can I say? You see with your own eyes how well it works. And those are actually my benefits list. Works great, intuitive, never done before, never seen anything like it. It's incredible value for the money, and you can make a huge income very fast using this. No kidding. And the drawbacks, I think this is one of those times when I try to nitpick. I try to find drawbacks and say, aha, found you. But no, I just couldn't. No way, I couldn't find it. Really no drawbacks. It's an amazing software. I had no bugs. It's polished. It's simple to use. It does what it promises. We have a winner. I mean, this is a product that I would recommend for years, definitely, unless something better comes out, okay? And let's talk about my bonuses, right? So just to remind you, this goes live on 25th of November at, let's see, 10 a.m., 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, at about $47, which is an amazing price for that. As a bonus, I'm still working on some bonus ideas. I haven't figured out some of the bonuses I want to do, but definitely going to have some training about arbitrage, using this as a service, because I do honestly believe that there is a lot of money to be made, because this is a unique angle to arbitrage. This is a unique angle to providing services in general. I mean, it's crazy. You have no idea the need for people to have their website redesigned quickly, to be beautiful, and to load so fast. Something that takes you seconds to create. So let's say you can offer this as as a service where you just turn their website into 1 kilobyte file, load faster, everything, all that basic stuff for, let's say on Fiverr, okay, not Upwork, let's go Fiverr, $5, right? Fair. Then you can go ahead and say redesigning and everything for $10, $15, depending on the redesign. Then you can go ahead and say, I'll add call to actions, timers, scarcity, increase your conversions, a all-in-one service for $50, right? This is possible, and not only this will also sell. People need this. This is a great new angle. So I will definitely include some kind of training on getting this started, right? I'll update you via email, but getting this started, getting results with it, etc., 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 okay? Definitely will 100% happen, okay? Now, let's talk about the upgrades. By the way, except for that bonus, I'll have more bonuses I'm still working on. I'm still trying to figure out which ones I'll go for and which ones I won't, and which ones are better, but yada yada, right? Softwares, white labels, see what I can come up with. So let's talk about the upgrades. We got the first upgrade. It's called Rebake Funnel. It basically allows you to build full funnels with Rebake. What you see here is just the beginning. The Rebake funnels is where the money is at. There's a lot of money. There's a lot of quality. This wow. It is crazy, okay? It is very, 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 very good value. And this one costs $67. We got second upgrade, which is my favorite. It's Rebake Video. It's $97, but listen to this. It's some kind of algorithm. I don't know what they're using, but it's not compression. And what basically it does, you can put any video and make them weigh 70% less. Make it faster. Make the video smaller, okay, in weight, in kilobytes, megabytes, but improve the quality. Can you imagine when you put the video, which, I don't know, is 100 megabyte. It comes out 30 megabyte or 20 megabyte, okay, which is a lot better with better quality. That is super. This is new technology, never ever ever seen before. Wow, wow, wow! $97. That is the price of this one. So this one is something I would definitely recommend if you are someone who is in need of who is using videos in any shape or form in your business, right? If you're using videos, you would like to get that. On the first one is just the next logical step. Building funnels will be sweet. You can also be able to sell funnels to clients and charge hundreds of dollars. Okay, and we got the third upgrade. It's an enterprise. It's $197 up to $297 depending on the license you get. It all depends on what you want to get, and it basically is some kind of enterprise license. You can resell Rebake with you can resell Rebake as your own to a certain limit, obviously. I don't think you can go ahead and launch it on JVZoo and stuff like that, but you can resell it to clients as your own with a certain limit. So there are limitations. Makes sense that there will be limitations, but that is it. So it depends if it fits you or not. I personally usually always buy white labels or resellers when I get the chance, but it's okay if you don't. And obviously we got the everything. Okay, I don't know. I forgot what I wanted to say. So this is my honest review. I'm sorry I couldn't nitpick and find something crappy about it. I usually try to find something. I usually really am very sturdy when it comes to sturdy. Well, I just usually try to find bad stuff, just to find bad stuff, just to make sure that it's not a dream. Okay, no, but honestly, usually it's very easy to find bad stuff or drawbacks, and most of the time I try to be just as honest as possible, right? And I want to be here's the thing, okay, let me say what I wanted to say in the past 30 minutes. I'm very weird right now. I don't know what's going on. So here's the thing, okay, I want to be the most honest as possible. This means that if software has bad stuff, I have to say them, right? I have to say the drawbacks. If software has good stuff, I have to say them. I have to keep it normal. But when software comes and it has only good stuff, I start to nitpick. And if I can't find, wow, that's when I'm really surprised when I cannot find something that isn't a drawback, right, with a product or a software. I'm very surprised, and for the good, obviously. So that's it. This is my review. Highly recommended. Whether or not you get my bonuses, still highly recommended. Check out my interview, check out all the other stuff, and see you later.